Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your trusted source for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're looking at a product that's designed to make your on-the-go life just a little bit easier. Whether you're at home, at the gym, or traveling, having a portable blender that can deliver smoothies, protein shakes, and even crush ice can be a game changer. Meet the Total Chef Portable Blender, your new best friend for blending smoothies, shakes, and more, anywhere, anytime. This little blender packs a lot of power in a compact, portable design. First off, it features a 20-aughts BPA-free bottle that's both the blending container and your drinking cup. The blender itself is cordless and rechargeable via USB, making it perfect for those who need a quick smoothie before heading out, or even when you're traveling or camping. This blender is built to handle tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice, so you don't have to worry about leaving anything out of your favorite blend. Let's talk about the key features of this portable blender. The most obvious is its portability. Whether you're at home, at the gym, or even traveling, this blender is designed for your active lifestyle. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack or gym bag, yet it's powerful enough to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and mix protein powder with ease. The 20-aughts bottle is also BPA-free, making it safe for your health, and it doubles as your cup, so no extra containers are needed. Cleaning it is simple, as the parts are detachable and it's even dishwasher safe. That's always a plus for those who want convenience and don't want to spend too much time cleaning up after their smoothies. Now, let's move into the real-world testing. I took this blender through a series of tests to see how it handled different tasks. First up, I tried blending a protein shake with frozen fruit and some ice. I used a mix of strawberries, blueberries, and banana slices, and tossed in some protein powder. The Total Chef blender powered through it without any hiccups. The texture was smooth, and the ice was crushed perfectly. It was also quiet enough that it didn't disturb anyone around me, which is something I always appreciate. Next, I tested it with a thicker shake. Milk, peanut butter, and more protein powder. Once again, the Total Chef handled it well. It's clear this blender is well suited for those who like their shakes thick and creamy. I also gave it a test with a slushy recipe, ice and fruit, and it blended everything without any struggle. Even when I pushed it with tough, frozen ingredients, the blades cut through them without a problem. As for ease of use, the setup was straightforward. Pop the ingredients in, twist on the lid, and press the button to start blending. The one-touch operation is a great feature. No complicated settings, just a simple, clean process. When it comes to cleaning, it didn't disappoint either. The removable parts make it easy to rinse under the tap, or you can toss them in the dishwasher for even easier cleanup. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro here is, of course, its portability. If you're someone who's always on the go, this blender is a must-have. It's compact, rechargeable, and does its job without any fuss. It's also very easy to clean, which is always a big win for me. The 20-aughts bottle size is just right for personal servings, but if you're looking to make larger quantities at once, you may want to look at a larger blender. On the flip side, the one limitation I found was that it's not meant for heavy-duty daily use in large quantities. It's perfect for personal-sized smoothies or shakes, but if you need a larger capacity or plan to blend large batches regularly, you might find this blender a bit too small. Also, while it's great at crushing ice and frozen fruit, if you push it to its limits with extremely tough ingredients, it might struggle a little. But that's more about expectations than performance. It's still a very capable blender for everyday tasks. When it comes to value for money, I think this blender offers solid value. It's priced reasonably for what you're getting. Cordless, portable, powerful enough to handle most tasks, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Compared to other portable blenders on the market, like the NutriBullet or Magic Bullet, the Total Chef stands out with its easy-to-clean, compact design, and ice-crushing power. Plus, it's great for those who want something lightweight and rechargeable, without the hassle of a traditional corded blender. As far as alternatives go, you might find similar products in the $30 to $50 range. However, what sets this one apart is its dual use as both the blender and the drinking cup, the solid construction, and the convenience of USB recharging. If you're looking for something with a larger capacity or more robust power, you could opt for a larger, full-sized blender, but you'd lose the portability and ease of use that this model offers. The build quality of the Total Chef is solid. It's not the most high-end material, but for its price point, it does feel durable. The materials used are designed to be tough enough for everyday use, but if you're expecting a premium, high-end blender experience, you might want to look elsewhere. This blender is designed with convenience in mind, not luxury. When it comes to customer support, I didn't have to reach out for any issues, but the Total Chef brand does offer responsive support and a 1-year warranty, which is reassuring. Given its design and features, I'm confident that most users will find it reliable for the typical use cases. And with a brand reputation for delivering accessible, portable products, it's safe to say that they've got your back if anything goes wrong. Now, if this product were equipped with frequent updates or firmware changes, I'd mention it. But since it's a simple, straightforward blender with no software involved, there's nothing to update. In conclusion, the Total Chef Portable Blender is a solid choice for anyone who needs a compact, easy-to-use blender for personal-sized smoothies, shakes, or other drinks. It's perfect for people with active lifestyles who need something that's portable, easy to clean, and reliable. While it may not be suitable for larger quantities or heavy-duty tasks, it excels at what it's designed to do, providing quick, convenient, and powerful blending wherever you go. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking of picking up the Total Chef Portable Blender, check out the comments box for more details. If you already own it, drop a comment and let us know how it's working for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, where we give you the inside scoop on all your favorite products. Stay blended.